Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of home valuation. There are multiple ways to value a home, each with its own unique perspective and methodology. Today we're breaking down 7 of these approaches, so buckle up and get ready to become a home valuation expert. Selling a home is a roller coaster of emotions. Sentimental attachments can inflate the value a seller places on their home. Sellers know about all the improvements and hard decisions they had to make so the home looks and feels right for them. Some of these improvements are spot on, while others, like having your family learn while installing different flooring in every room and having your kids paint their bedrooms in their favorite colors, might take away from the valuation. Sellers often want the new owners to like and appreciate the great care placed in properly maintaining and updating the home. These emotions sometimes get in the way of seeing that the market determines the home value, not one individual person. More about it at the end. On the flip side, we have the buyers. Some are savvy negotiators, always on the hunt for a good deal. Buyers compare your property to others on the market, meticulously calculating every penny. Unless your home ticks all the boxes on their wish list, they'll likely try to negotiate a lower price. On the flip side, if the seller did a fantastic job making the home very desirable to many buyers, these buyers will gladly bid over asking price, determined to make it their home. Now, since most buyers use lenders to buy homes, the lenders hire independent appraisers to give them the appraised value. The appraisers are expected to give a thorough and unbiased evaluation. They use their expertise and a data-driven approach to determine a home's fair market value. This involves meticulous research and analysis. Appraisers analyze your property, comparing it to recent sales of similar homes in the area to provide an objective assessment. They aim to ensure the valuation is accurate and reflects current market conditions for homes of similar age, size, and location. Keep in mind, they know that the same house in the same neighborhood is valued less if on a busy corner or backing to a busy street, while giving more value to homes facing a park, since a big part of owning a home is a right to a peaceful enjoyment. Next up, we have licensed real estate agents, those market-savvy masters who not only know how to properly compare properties to the recently sold, they understand the details on how creating the first impression matters in the perceived value. Experienced realtors have a deep understanding of local market conditions, buyer preferences, and pricing strategies. They can advise on how best to present your house to give it the highest chance, market it strategically with professional photos, and guide you through the negotiation process with expertise and confidence, ensuring you secure the best possible price. Their goal is to make the entire experience seamless and rewarding for you. Now, let's talk insurance. Insurance valuations are a whole different ballgame. It's about the cost of rebuilding your home from the ground up in case of a catastrophic event or to fix something important in the house. Insurance agents assess factors like construction materials, square footage, and local labor costs to determine coverage. So they are using the cost to rebuild, not the market value at which the home could potentially be sold. When buying a home with a lender, they must be included in the coverage because they put up the money for you to buy the house. When you pay the house off, you can change the coverage to what fits you best. But while you have a lender, the house must be covered to ensure their investment. Local governments also get in on the home valuation game, using their own methods to determine your property's assessed value for tax purposes. These assessments may not reflect the current market value of your home, as they often lag behind real-time market fluctuations because, while they are using the comps or comparables like realtors, tax assessors use data from the last year, and they don't adjust the value if your home is next to a gas station or a lake. You can contest the tax valuation to make sure it makes sense. Keep in mind, if your home is a homestead, you may have some discounts and protections when it comes to raising the valuation year to year. Finally, we have the age of algorithms. Websites and apps offer automated home value estimates based on publicly available data. While these estimates can be a fun starting point, remember that they're just that, estimates. Here's why they are often way off. 1. They do not know what is inside your home, and if you have a fabulous layout, recent updates by a designer, or if your sweet pet chewed out every windowsill and door in the house, and the tattered shaggy carpet in the living room is part of your childhood memories. 2. Some states are what's called a non-disclosure states, meaning the actual sales price and any concessions by the seller are not publicly disclosed. 3. Not all square footage is created equal. The basement without windows or enclosed attics, garages and porches might not be included for various reasons, from safety to common sense. The bottom line. What's your home really worth? Understanding the true value of your home is crucial whether you're planning to sell, refinance, or simply curious about your investment. There are many ways to value a home, each with its own methods and considerations. Market trends, location, and property condition all play significant roles in determining value. For the most accurate valuation, it makes sense to consult multiple licensed professionals like appraisers and realtors. They bring different perspectives and expertise to give you a comprehensive understanding. Want to learn more about building wealth through real estate? Investing wisely can lead to significant financial growth and security for your future. Follow us to learn about how to use tax shelters, better financing strategy, and what to do when considering selling or remodeling a home. Check out our latest videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Staying updated with the latest tips and trends in the real estate market to make informed decisions is a really smart thing.